Hello everybody, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair and how I create my signature straight wavy, well not wavy, like curled hair like this right here. I'll show you guys how I did that as well. It's really not hard. I feel like it's kind of stupid for me to do this video and not a lot of people like to watch how I straighten my hair, you know, it's kind of like typical, but I just feel like I wanted to share this video because I'm going to be using my Dyson and I do have a lot more on here that I'm going to be also featuring in this video. So if you guys want to see how I style my hair with my Dyson and how I create my signature look, please keep on watching. Alrighty you guys, so today I'm going to show you how I style my hair and I'm just going to straighten it today. If ever you want me to do a video on how to curl my hair with my Dyson, let me know and I'm definitely going to be doing that video for you guys. But today I'm just going to do my signature straight hair look and I'm going to show you guys my Dyson. So before I go ahead and show you my wet hair, this is the Dyson. I received it actually on my birthday from my hubby and it looks like this. So I basically have everything I need in here. I have the curling ones and the hair blower, the brushes and everything. So I'm going to show you guys what I don't know how to call it, like pieces that I use. Bring this down and just dry my hair. I just did my makeup. I did not film a tutorial on my makeup, so let me know if you guys want me to do a video on that and I will do that. Oh my god, my hair smells like eucalyptus mint. I'm actually currently using a new shampoo from Function of Beauty and girl, I've been really finding a difference with my hair. So I will be doing a hair care video and show you guys the products that I use on my hair. I'm honestly not super like A1 about hair. I just do what I have to do and it just always, you know, looks the same. It's basically the routine that I always do, so it isn't anything special. But I have been using Function of Beauty I was gonna say concealer and foundation. I have been using Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner and I just love how my hair is feeling with it. So my hair is still wet. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this side. This is, I don't know, the oval tip. At first I really thought that the air will come out from here, but it doesn't. It actually comes out from here. And then on the Dyson you have everything that you need in here. You have the on off, the heat, and how strong you want the fan to be. And here you just have the thing that you pull down so you can take out the tips and put them on. So honestly, I love my Dyson. It works really well. It styles my hair quite fast and it just, you know, it just really keeps my hair healthy and protected. Like it doesn't really tuck on my hair and it really helps with my split ends too, so it doesn't really do that often. Oh, and I also forgot to show you guys that when my hair is wet, I just go ahead and I spray this on. I don't really use a heat protector. I know it's important, but I don't use it. I just don't like the feeling of it on my hair. I've tried so many heat protectors and I hated them all. The one that I really like is this one right here, and this is the OGX and I get mine from Walmart, and this is the Renewing Plus Organ Oil of Morocco, and this is just a weightless reviving dry oil and I really like that. I just go ahead and spray this on my hair and I just start styling it. Really, there isn't anything special about that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and zhuzh up and dry up my hair a little bit. Okay, as you guys can see, I don't have a nice natural hair. That's why I always style it, because I really hate how it is. It just doesn't have a style. It's like not straight, it's not wavy, it's not curly. It's just, I don't know what it is. So it looks like that. So now I just want to kind of bring this down a little bit. So I do change the tip to this brush right here. Now when you have this brush and this brush, honestly I don't really know the difference that much, but I really like the one that has these little you know, little balls tips on here. I just feel like it massages my head just a little bit better, and just love how the and I just love the feel of this on my hair, even though like this one is quite you know, good too. I'm not saying it's not comfortable. I just really like the fact that this has this little balls on it, so it really just helps massage my scalp. Go ahead and I brush my hair with this, and this also helps with detangling my hair as well if ever it's tangled from the first tip. Okay, so now my hair looks like this. It's somewhat straight-ish, but I am not done from there. So now I go ahead and I change the tip, and I love this one. I think this is the one that I use the most, and this is just a comb brush like that, and this is really going to help with styling a little bit more my hair. Now I do also go over everything with a straightener, and I will show you guys that in a second. So I normally like to separate my hair into 3 sections, but lately I've been doing it into 4 sections. Just go ahead and I separate. So I start off from the bottom here, and I just clip the rest up. And I still have the roots that are a little bit not wet, but they are damped. So this is going to help dry everything. And I always have it on the highest fan and on the highest heat, if ever you guys are wondering. And yeah, so far this just changed my hair game, and I love it. So I try my best to, when I'm doing it, I curl it in toward the inwards on this side, and same thing on this side as well. So when I'm curling it, I do it like that. It doesn't tend to curl with this for some reason. That's why I kind of go over with the straightener, just to kind of have, you know, the sides are doing like this and not like that, because I don't like that. So I'll show you what I mean. So I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten and kind of just style this side first. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys a quick difference. Like, you can still see the little bit of the wave here, or like the curl. My hair is black, so I'm not sure if you like, that's why I wear a white shirt, so you guys could see a little bit better. That's how it is, and I just do the same thing with the other side. It's just gonna help like straighten it a little bit more, and I'll also show you how I'm gonna do it with the straightener once I'm done with this section. Next, I take my straightener, and this is a She straightener, and I recently changed from the one that I had before. The one that I had before was an eco-friendly one, was really nice, but it kind of stopped heating up that much, and I really like when my straightener are really hot. Okay, so I got this one, and I really like it. It's pink and it's cute. So I just go over, I kind of really hit the roots a little bit, just to kind of have, I like to have, like, my hair is not so volumized, and I don't like to have a volumized roots either. Like, I feel like it looks weird on me. So I just hit it on the roots right here, just to kind of like flatten it a little bit. And then I kind of go down and I curl the end. So I kind of curl the wand toward me, so like that I can have that style. You see what I mean right here? Even though I still have it here. For some reason, this worked on camera. Normally, this does not look like that when I do my hair. This always flips up like weirdly, and I hate it. For some reason, it's doing it okay on this camera. I hate when this happens. It's always happens to me. Anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm always on this side, I curl toward me, and on this side I also curl toward me. And I find that the straightener really helps me with that, because it already has that curl to it, so it helps me to just really get a nice curled ends. Now moving on to the second section, and I kind of keep doing the same thing, but I'm just gonna show you the second section. So I kind of just separate in the middle. I don't really have a specific rule on how many millimeters or centimeters or whatever that you have to divide your hair. I just go with the flow. I don't really have a theory for you guys. So now I just go ahead and do the same thing. I will style my hair with this first. The reason also you saw me that I put my hair is short and it tends to kind of get off the brush, so that's why I kind of hold it with my hand, just like an FYI. I just wanted to let you guys know, because you did see me like holding it with my hand, and no, it's not that hot, so it does not burn my hand. Just to let you guys know, this is like very, very safe. One thing I have to say about the Dyson is that it's crazy how fast it styles my hair. I mean, my hair naturally is not thick. I do have thin hair and my hair is quite easily styled. I don't know about you, but that is the experience I get with my Dyson, is that my hair is styled and done within like literally 15 minutes. Like, it does not take that long. But obviously now I'm doing this video, it's probably going to be longer than 15 minutes, just, you know, because I also talk. So yeah, so now my hair is styled, the second section. So you know what, you see, like, it's not really the way I like it. That's where I take my straightener and I just, you know, zhuzh it up a little bit and style it up the way I want it to look. And I like to go over it with the straightener just because I love to have that slick, sleek, straight hair, if you guys know what I mean. I like it when it's like really nice and straight. And the tip also to have a nice curl inwards, like your hair, if your hair is short like mine. I normally take my straightener and I put it down and I kind of just hold it a little bit longer, and to kind of just really get that inward curl, just to kind of hold your straightener a little bit longer while you are curling it towards you just a tiny bit, and just kind of like go slower with it. And this is how the second section looks with the first section. Moving on to the third section, and the third section is separated by like the crown of my head. So I do take kind of like my bangs, my long bangs, and I like to do those at the end. So I just kind of separate my hair like that, and I do the same steps again, Dyson and then straightener. I forgot to mention that the Dyson has a really cool stand that you can actually hold on while you're, you know, brushing your hair. So that's, you can also use that. You guys have seen me. I do hold it from here sometimes, but I also do this. So just wanted to let you guys know that you do have a good support for you to hold the brush from here and not from here if you don't want to get any heat or burn yourself in case you find it too hot. Another thing, when I get to the crown of the head or on the top of the head, I like to dry my hair going upwards, just because I feel like it gives me a little bit of volume, especially here. I like the volume here, but not all the way around. I know, I'm weird, but yeah, so when I'm doing this, I go upwards, and sometimes you're also going to see me do this as well, just because that I am just bringing my hair upward for just a little bit of volume. So you're gonna see me do both ways. Now is this last section. So I do like to bring this section all the way down in front of my face. So if I look crazy, or if I look like from, I don't know, what's that called, that movie there, that the girl that comes out of the TV. And now I take my Dyson and I kind of straighten or style my hair like into, I also kind of do this into section, and you'll see what I mean in just a sec. I'm just gonna hit this side a bit with my straightener and just kind of curl it toward me, because I do have baby hair and they tend to stand up and I don't like that. So I just kind of hit it with my straightener a little bit just to kind of calm them down. And I'm just gonna go ahead actually and just do the same thing on this side as well. I do have an issue with baby hair and I don't like them. Like you guys could see that they are standing up, but I don't know how to bring them down. That's why I use this one to kind of just really bring them down, and it really works. I kind of run my straightener through little details, but overall this is how I do my hair. I mean, straightening hair is always boring. It's always like the same technique to like everybody. But you know, I feel like everybody has their own touch on how to straighten their hair. And I find it interesting. I do like to watch videos like that. I do like to see how some girls straighten their hair. If they have a technique, special technique, I like to kind of learn from that. But again, the only person that knows your hair is you, and you know what actually suits you best. So let me go ahead and add a little bit of this one right here, and I just put it on my hand. I just add kind of like 2 pumps, massage it around, and I just kind of run it through the top here just to kind of bring down the baby hairs if I have any. Lately I haven't been having much of my baby hair standing out, I guess because of the Function of Beauty shampoo that I've been using, but that's going to be for another video. Overall, this is how I straighten my hair, and yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you guys like it. Also let me know if you guys want me to create another video using the curls. They do have 2 the same, but they kind of go different ways, and let me know if you guys want me to use these in another video on how I curl my hair, and I will definitely do that for you guys. Also let me know in the comments down below if you do have a Dyson. Let me know if you like it. Let me know how you use it. Maybe it's a little bit different than what I use it and the tips that I use. I would love to know your opinion and also your tips and tricks using the Dyson, and if you know anything else that I don't know about a Dyson, let me know in the comments down below, and I would love to just kind of learn more about the Dyson. But I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. This is just going to be kind of like a review slash styling my hair, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you like it, it would really mean a lot to me. On that note, I wish you all a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.